Hello, my dear students of class 8. Today I will continue the next part of the text, the selfish giant. So, there we saw that the giant came and made wall around his garden and put up a notice board and wrote trespassers will be prosecuted. Those who will trespass will enter without permission will be sent to court. He was a very selfish giant, very much selfish, self-centric giant. The poor children had now nowhere to play. Poor children had then nowhere, no place to play. They tried to play on the road. They tried to play on the road after that. But the road was very dusty, full of dust. धूल से भरा था and full of hard stones, and they did not like it. So before that they used to play in giant's garden that was like full of green grasses, soft green grasses, and now on the contrast they were playing in a very dusty, full of hard stones, and on the road that was dusty and full of hard stones, and they did not like it. No one would like that. They used to wander around the high walls when their lessons were over. Lessons means their school was over. They used to wander, means move. Okay, means roam. Where? Around the high walls, and talk about the beautiful gardens. And they used to talk about the beautiful garden inside. How happy we were there, they said to each other. Where there means inside the giant's garden. How they were very much happy. Right? They had been very much happy inside the giant's garden. Then the spring came. Spring season came. And all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds. All over the country there were very little flowers, blossom flowers, right? And there were little birds. Only in the garden of the selfish giant it was still winter. But on the contrary, only in the garden of the selfish giant it was still winter. The birds did not care to sing in it, as there were no children. The birds didn't think to sing inside the giant's garden because there were no children. So that's why children are the gifts of nature, the parts of nature. And the trees forgot to blossom, means to bloom, to give birth to flowers. Once a beautiful flower puts its head out from the grass, just wakes up from the grass, but when it saw the notice board that trespassers will be prosecuted, it was so sorry. It felt very sorry, very unhappy for the children, and that it slipped back into the ground again. And after that it went back into the ground again and went up to sleep. The only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost. The only people who were happy were the snow and the frost. Snow, frost, north wind, hail, all these have been present as the characters or persons. Okay, so here snow means snowfall and frost means that fog, so they were very much happy. Means the characteristics of winter actually. So here they are personified. They are represented as persons. Spring also as person. Spring has forgotten this garden. Forgotten to come to this garden. They cried, they thought, they said. So we will live here all the year round. So thought we will stay here for the whole year. The snow covered the grass with a great white cloak. Means the snowfall. There was very thick snowfall, and it covered the whole grass with and it made the grass white. That's why with a great white cloak. Cloak means kind of dress, right? Covered with the white cloak means the after the snowfall the ground became white, and the frost, that fog of frost, painted all the trees silver instead of green. Then they invited the north wind to stay with them. North wind means, let us say, the chilly wind, very much cold wind. Okay, so north wind, and he came, and he came. He was wrapped in furs. That means covered in furs. Furs means you wear sweaters, jackets of furs. So here again the north wind is personified, and kind of his dress was like fur, very much cold, and he rode all day about the garden. He rode means he was enjoying all day about the garden, and blew the chimney pots down. So north wind, very strong wind also. So and blow down means broke the chimney pots down. And this was delightful spot, he said. Very good spot, place. We must ask hail on a visit. Hail means hailstorm, syllabisty, right? So on a visit. So the hail came. Every day for 3 hours he rattled on the roof of the castle till he broke most of the slats. Every day. Daily. For 3 hours. For 3 hours he rattled, means he danced, and he made noise on the roof of the castle. Castle means that kind of Durg, right? Castle of the giant. Until broke most of the slates that covered the roof. And then he ran round and round the garden. After that he was running round the garden as fast as he could go, and he was dressed in gray color, colorless. Okay, and his breath was like ice. He was very much cold. I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming, said the selfie giant. Selfie giant thought he couldn't understand why the spring was so late to come in his garden, and he sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden. And he was sitting inside at his window and looking at his garden, a cold white garden. I hope there will be change in the weather. He thought there must be a change in the weather very soon. That's all. Thank you.